Hello, Elsa.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, okay, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today?
Good.
How are you today? Are you happy today?
Yeah,
Ooh, what did you do today? What
I'm
did
going.
you do today?
I go to school.
Oh, what did you do at school? Yes? Are you
I
eating? Uh-huh.
eat strawberry.
Oh, what is your breakfast? No, what is your dinner tonight? What is your dinner
It's
tonight?
straw. It's
What?
straw. It's
Strawberry. Oh, okay. So what day is today? What day is today, Elsa?
Tuesday.
Can you say today is
Today is
Tuesday? Okay, tomorrow will be.
Wednesday.
Can you say tomorrow? Can you say tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Tomorrow will be
Tomorrow will be
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yesterday. Yesterday. Can you say
Tomorrow
yesterday? Yesterday. I said yesterday.
yesterday
Yesterday was Monday. Can
was
you
Monday.
yesterday? Can you say yesterday was Monday? Can you please tell
Was
me
Saturday.
yesterday was Monday? Listen to teacher, okay? Again, yesterday
What's the day?
yesterday was Monday.
It's Tuesday.
Yesterday, you're not listening to me. Yesterday was Monday. Yesterday was Monday.
Yesterday,
Was.
day of the week.
Oh my God. Yesterday was Monday.
Yesterday is Monday.
Was. Was. Again, yesterday was Monday.
Yesterday was Monday.
No, was. Can you say was?
Was Monday.
Okay, so what's the weather like there today, Elsa? What's the weather like there today?
It's sunny.
Oh, sunny. Do you like to play on sunny days?
Yes.
Ooh, what kind of sports do you like to play on sunny days?
Good.
What? Do you like to play badminton?
Yes.
Oh, do you know how to play with that sport?
Yes.
Ooh. All right. So in here, we are going to answer in this activity. Are you ready now?
I can read. I can read.
No, 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 no. I'm asking you, are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, so but before that, Elsa, what is this?
It's a monster.
Very good. Okay, spell the word monster.
M
M.
N O N S T E R.
Very good. Okay, can you please read?
Read and color the monster.
Okay, number one. The monster's arms are red and its hands are green. Okay, please color. The monster's arm are red. Okay. Can you please color the arms red?
Okay.
This color. I want you to color it perfectly, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, wow. Very good, Elsa. Okay. Color it slowly, Elsa. Color it slowly. Okay.
Đang tô màu cái tay.
Okay. Are you done?
Done.
Okay. And its hands are green. Hands. This one. Color it green.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, number 2. It's got purple faces.
What?
It's got purple faces.
Okay.
Yes. Do not color the eyes, okay?
Okay.
And also the nose. Okay. Do not color the eyes and nose. Okay. Okay. Oh,
Oh.
it's okay. Okay. How about the other face?
Oh.
Yes. Okay, so the color of the eyes in here is color pink.
I don't
Yes.
have this.
Oh, what is your available color in there? Do you have orange,
I have black, gray,
black?
red, and yellow,
Okay,
green,
can you color it?
blue.
Can you color the eyes color gray? Color gray. Okay. Okay.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Oh, oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Okay, are you done?
Done.
Okay, so the nose, we can color yellow.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, number three, can you please read? Number
Color the both blue and two both orange.
Okay, so you are going to color the boots blue, three boots blue, and two boots orange. Okay, so in here, you are going to color it orange and then, no, blue, and then this two, yes, it's color orange. Okay, are you ready now? Okay. Again. I can see the lines. Again. Color it slowly. Okay. So number four, make its t-shirt pink. Oh, do you have pink? Okay, I want
No.
you to color yellow. Color yellow. Okay, the body. Yes. All right, very good. So the tail, I want you to color green. Okay. Are you done? Okay, very good. So in here, I want you to give 10 over 10 in your, okay, about coloring. So can you please do the hooray clap now?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hooray!
Okay, very good. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Okay, next. So in here, this is the, what is this?
Monster.
Okay. So in here, you are going to answer if it is yes or no. Okay? Elsa?
Yeah.
Okay, number 1, just write your answer in here. Okay?
Okay.
Wait for a minute. Alright. Okay, number 1. It's got 5 feet. Yes or no? It's got 5 feet.
Yes.
Okay, number 2. It's got 1 nose.
Okay.
Okay, number 3. It's got 2 funny tails. Funny tails. Yes, number 4. Okay, number 4. The monster's eyes are pink. Okay, number 5. It's got 2 green faces. No. Okay, so let us check now. Number 1 is no. Okay, wait for a minute. Number 1, it's got 5 feet. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. It's got 1 nose. Yes or no?
No.
Okay, how many nose in here?
3.
3. It's got 2 funny tails. What is your answer?
Yes.
Yes. The monster's eyes are pink. Yes. Number
Yes.
5. It's got 2 green faces. No, right?
No.
Because the color in here is color. What color, Elsa? Tell me what color. Color purple, right?
Color pink.
Purple. Face, not the eyes. Okay, so choose words and write about the monster. Are you ready now to answer in here?
Yes.
Okay, can you please read? I want you to read. Please read. Elsa, please read.
See clouds were and read about the monster.
Bounce.
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 Okay, continue. Continue. Please do not answer. Okay. I told you to read. Again.
Say hello to
Bounce.
Bounce.
Again.
Say hello to Bounce. It's very big. Smile, happy, sad. Sad. Why we about
Very beautiful.
very beautiful. Earthly, shy,
Scary.
scary,
Again.
scary, scary, feel,
Silly.
and silly, and
Really
really fun,
funny.
funny,
Again, really
really funny, really funny, kid.
it drinks
It drinks
blank
blank
and
and
blank
blank is very food.
continue please
Very food.
is its favorite food. Again.
It is favorite food.
Okay, so in here you are going to choose words and listen to teacher first. Listen.
Yes.
Choose words and write about the monster. Okay, number one. Say hello to Bounce. It's very what? Big or small?
Big.
In circle.
Big.
Happy or
Big.
sad?
Happy.
Okay. Very beautiful or ugly?
Ugly.
Scary or silly?
Scary.
And really funny. It drinks what? It
Drinks
drinks
water.
what? Water? Okay.
Water.
Yes. Wait for a minute. It drinks water. Okay. Right.
I don't know the word. I don't.
W A T E E R. Look at your E. Look at your E. Again. Okay. It drinks water and what? It
And it
and
it it monster.
what? And
Alien.
what?
Alien. Alien.
No. What is their favorite food? What
Salad.
is salad? Are you sure?
My favorite food is salad.
No, the monster, not you. Are you a
I don't
monster?
know. No.
Okay. So, and what is their favorite food?
It's donut.
Donut? What?
It's donut.
Donut? Okay. They like to eat routine.
Putin.
No,
Root.
root.
What's root? What's root?
Fruits. Again.
What
Okay,
is root?
like this. Smelly cheese.
Smell trees. What's
Okay.
that?
Okay, so let's check your answer. Yes, this is big, happy, please scary, water, and okay. So in here you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you got 6/6. Another. Okay, so today we are going to talk about pronunciation. Can you say pronunciation? Pronunciation.
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 Asian.
Pronunciation.
Asian.
Okay, pronunciation. Alright, it's in here. Oh, can you pronounce this word? Ba, ba, bounce.
Bounce.
Okay. Again, please read.
Bounce.
Is very big.
Big.
Again, please read again. Bounce.
Bounce. Very big.
Again.
Bounce. Very big.
Again. How about S? Bounce is very big.
It's very big.
Again, please read also the bounce word. Bounce is very big. Again.
Bounce is very big.
Again, one more time, please.
Bounce is
Bounce.
Bounce is very big.
Another.
Bounce is very beautiful.
Again.
Bounce is very beautiful.
Not bow. Bounce.
Bounce.
Again.
Bounce.
I told you not to draw. Again.
Bounce is very beautiful.
Again.
Bounce is very beautiful.
I said bounce, not bow. Bounce. Bounce.
Bounce is beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Again.
Bounce is very beautiful.
I said bounce, not bow. Bounce.
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 Bounce is beautiful.
Again. Bounce.
Bounce is beautiful.
Look at the screen. Do not shout, okay? Bounce is very beautiful. Again.
Bounce is very beautiful.
Very good. So in here, put our top and bottom lips together. Again. Ba, ba, ba. Okay. Put our top and bottom lips together. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, what is the sound of letter B? What is the sound of letter B? Ba,
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 ba.
ba,
Bounce.
mouse.
Ba, ba. Big.
Ba, ba, big.
Ba, ba. Beautiful.
Ba, ba, beautiful.
Okay, very good. Again, what is the sound of letter B? What is the sound?
Ba, ba, ba.
Okay, very good. Ba, ba. All right, so how about here? What letter is this? This is letter
Is letter V.
V. Can you say V, 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 V? Can you say that?
Ba,
Okay, listen to this. Put our teeth against the inside of our bottom lip. Huh? Like this. V, v, v,
ba, ba,
v.
ba,
Very,
ba, ba.
very,
Very,
not very. V, v, very.
ba, ba, very.
V, v, violet.
Ba, ba, violet.
Okay, very good. Another. What else? V, v,
Ba,
Venus.
pencil.
Again. V, v, violet.
Ba, ba, violet.
Okay. V, v, very.
Ba, ba, very.
V, v, vet.
Ba, ba, vet.
Okay. V, v, van. V, v, van.
Ba, ba, van.
Okay. V, v, vessel.
Ba, ba, vessel.
Very good. Another. V,
Ba,
v, vase.
ba, ba, vase.
V, v, vest.
Ba, ba, vest.
Okay. V, v, vegetable.
Ba, ba, vegetable.
Okay,
Va.
very good.
Ba, van.
Yes. Again.
Ba, ba,
Look at the screen. V, v, value. V, v, voice. V, v, vacation. V, v, volcano. Okay. So what is the sound of letter V? What is the sound? Elsa? What is the sound of letter V? V, V. Can you say that? V, V. Hello? Are you listening to me now, Elsa? Elsa? Hello? Hello? Elsa, hello? Elsa, hello? Elsa? Elsa, hello? 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 Elsa, where are you? Elsa? Hello, Elsa. Where are you? Elsa, hello? Hello? Hello, Elsa. Hello, Elsa? Hello, Elsa. Hello? Hello, Elsa. Okay, so
Hello.
what happened? What happened? Okay, so what is the sound of letter V? What is the sound of letter V? V, V.
V.
Again, what is the sound of letter V? What is the sound of letter V? V, V. Again, louder your voice. What is the sound
Boy.
of Elsa? Listen to me. What is the sound of letter V?
V. V.
Okay. V. How about letter B? How about letter B? B, B, B.
B.
Okay. B,
B.
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 Bounce. When we say V, V, V,
V.
violet. Okay? So if you are going to pronounce letter B, put our top and bottom lips together. So if we are going to pronounce letter V, va, put our teeth against the inside of our bottom lip. Okay? Did you understand? Can you say pronunciation? Can you say that?
Pronunciation.
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 Very good. So, can you please pronounce the letter B? B, B.
B. B.
How about letter V?
V.
V,
V.
V. Okay, very good. So, let's proceed now to the next page, okay? Are you ready now? Okay, so in here, pronunciation. Listen to the teacher and write the words under B or V. Okay? So I'm going to tell her the words that starts for letter B and V. Okay? Are you ready now? Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay. So, ball, ball. Spell the word ball.
B.
Spell the word. Where are
B.
you going to put that into letter B or V?
O. A.
Okay, right. Where are you going to write that word?
You have pen.
Ball. Okay. Please write. Okay, very good. All right, so what is no, that is not the correct spelling. Ball. Ball. Again. Okay, spell the word ball. I told you not to draw, okay? That's why again, spell the word ball.
B-I-L-L.
Again,
B-I-L-L.
what is the sound of letter B?
B, B.
Okay. Read. Read the word. Ba, ba, ball.
B, B, ball.
Okay. So spell the word van. V, v, van.
Van.
V, v, van.
Van.
Elsa, where are you going to spell the word van? Letter B or V? V, v, van. Yes. A-N. Again, spell the word van.
V-I-N.
Okay. Can you please read?
Oops, sorry.
Oh my God. I told you not to write. Again, spell the word van.
B-I-N.
Okay. Can you please pronounce the word van? V- v- Read.
Van.
Again, van.
V, V, van.
Okay. Next. Banana. 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 Ba, ba. B-A. Na, na. Na, na. What's next? Ba. Okay. Banana. Na. Banana. Check. Do not erase. Banana.
Banana.
Okay, please write the word banana. Banana. Right? And? No, and banana. Banana. Na. Na. Ah. Okay, very good. So, spell the word
B-I-N-I-N-I.
okay, read.
B-I-N-I-N-I.
Read. I said read.
Banana.
Okay. Spell the word vet. 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 Okay. Can you please read?
Vet.
Okay, very good. Another. Can you please spell the word voice? Voice. Voice. O I
No, no.
no. I C voice E.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay. That is correct. Very good. Okay, last. Please spell the word box. 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 No, box, not bold. B-O-X. B-O-X. X, not S. X. Do you know how to write X? This one. Okay. Can you please read?
Banana.
Can you
No,
please
no.
read?
Bow. Banana.
Again.
Banana.
Again.
Bow.
What is this?
Bow.
Next.
Bow. Bow. Banana. Box. Van. Vex. Voice.
Very good. Okay. Thank you so much, Elsa. I think it's already time. Goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye, Elsa.
Goodbye.